Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm in trying out Vietnamese restaurant and let's go in.
So we ordered this 3-color ice. It's very interesting. I think they have red beans, ice and peanuts on it, and some coconut and milk, and some jello. Looks very colorful too. And this is called rainbow ice, Vietnamese style. It's very strong coconut too. Not sweet at all. I'm not sure if it's at the bottom. Oh, the bottom is sweet. So you have to mix well before you drink it. This is very good. It's like different kind of stuff. Red beans, coconut, milk, sugar. Probably have some green bean at the bottom too, and jello. This is a good one. And this is my favorite too. This is a Durian milkshake. If you don't like the smell, don't bother. If you like the smell, this is a good one. It's very strong Durian. So refreshing. I feel like I'm in Southeast Asia right now. So this is the noodle pho with the special pho. They have like beef ball, round eye, beef biscuit, onion, striped cilantro, and so many ingredients. This is the special. I think it's the biggest pho special on the menu. The soup. Oh, it's very savory. It's very tasty soup too. It's like very like Vietnamese like broth. And the noodle is a lot too. It's very favorable. And the beef is so good, but today I'm not eating this, but I just kind of show you how it looks like. Today I ordered the one without soup. So they have Coke and Coke. Beef ball. There's a lot of ingredient, and the soup is very savory. And there's a stripe too. I love this one. It's like every ingredient in Vietnamese you can have. This is the Vietnamese version of beef stew style. It's not color soup. Oh, the soup is very good. It has very strong of the Asian 5 spice with like carrot, little sweet, and a little strong like beef broth on it. And the beef is a lot too. The beef stew. Let me see if it's like very hard or chewy. It looks very good. I love beef stew, by the way. This is definitely good. It's not like hard, like chewy. It's stuck your teeth. It's very awesome good. And then it has cilantro on the soup. I love this. I hate like a beef stew, like where they don't cook well. It's gonna be hot like rock. Oh, definitely good. Those two noodles is definitely good. Highly recommended. So this is the Vietnamese chicken fried rice. I feel like it's just like plain fried rice with chicken. Nothing really special, and egg mixing on it. It's definitely good like wok. Stir-fried wok, like strong taste. It's very good. And very dry, not moist and sticky. And I mean, it's a typical like fried rice. Cannot say much on it, but it's definitely awesome good. I love this too. And the chicken is not, it's not meat, but you're not feeling chewy at all. This tastes good. It's like a grilled chicken, and then they chop into the dice. Yeah, this is definitely grilled chicken, the Vietnamese style grilled chicken. Doesn't feel dog meat at all, even though they are. This is first time I have this. It's called like Vietnamese rice cake. So feel like there's a dough on the bottom and some stuff on the top, like feels like egg, and there's some like fish sauce, a little bit of fish sauce. Let me see without the sauce, see how it tastes like. So it feels like the flour with some like, this is not like it's a mash of something, maybe beans or whatever, but it tastes so good though. Not much flavor, but you're gonna rely on this fish sauce. I'm gonna put a little bit. It tastes good though. Doesn't like not too salty, not too sweet. Oh, with the fish sauce, it stands out a lot even more. Definitely better with fish sauce. This is like a simple. I feel like this is a very simple like appetizer, but it tastes so good. And then of course this is the vegetable spring roll. You wrap with veggie and some like Vietnamese fish sauce. Okay, so that's how you're gonna eat it. It's more like a Korean style barbecue, similar. And this is a fish sauce. You put on it a little bit of carrot. You wrap on it. And then you eat it. I think this is gonna be good. No meat. This is just plain vegetable spring roll. Obviously, I messed it up. It's so hard to do it without hand, you know. Have to use hand. But let me taste this. It's very hot inside. You order, they cook it right away. Tastes good. Wow, look at Martin. Oh my god. Okay, this is very good. There's a lot of vegetables inside, like mushrooms, like vermicelli, clear noodle, vegetables. It's good. You dip with this sauce. You don't feel fatty because there's no like pot in there, so everything is like feel healthy. And lastly, this is what I ordered today. I didn't order the soup. Instead, I ordered a grilled beef with noodle with this, again, the Vietnamese fish oil sauce, the specialty sauce. On the bottom, they have lettuce on it. You mix well and then add the sauce together and eat it. Damn, it's huge. So usually I put a lot of sauce here. Oh shoot. They have lettuce, vegetables. There's a lot of stuff on it. It's so good. And let me try the beef. This beef is so good, so flavorful, a little bit sweet side, but it's overall it's good. I feel like eating this is very refreshing. It doesn't feel like greasy and very light, and it's very satisfying eating like at a Vietnamese restaurant. It just tastes so good adding like the fish sauce, and this little carrot is preserved. So they put like a little bit sour on it. Everything is just like very healthy. Feels like very, you want to eat that you don't want to even stop. Like doesn't feel greasy, doesn't feel stuffed. That's the key word I'm using. Yeah, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.